to be able to pick clothes based on what you like the look of rather than what just fits or what covers you. That just gives you so much confidence and it makes you feel so good about yourself.
Can't beat a fish finger sandwich.
In a way, losing weight is just a side effect of it. You just take it week by week and then you start feeling better and better about yourself. Everyone can get involved and enjoy it together because it isn't diet food. It's not like that. I still take it day by day as well, and I'm not a WW angel. I still have bad days sometimes, but I've always got that support there on the app. It's just really positive and supportive. If there is a week when you might have put half a pound on or so, it'll never tell you off. It still says well done. It does make you feel proud of yourself, and then before you know it, your style's changing, you're happier, you're more confident and a more positive person as well because you're doing something good for yourself, and that rubs off on your family too. My eldest, who loves going through and picking which recipes he'd like to do, so it just gets everyone involved. That is my experience of WW, and that is why I love it so much. That's what I tell everybody who will listen.
Yeah.
Is that okay?